Hey everyone, welcome back to Butchie Boom. Hope everybody's doing well. Today we're doing an Uber Eats run. I just decided to put the app on. I'm having some car issues, so versus putting passengers in the car and have somebody report me, I'm just going to stick to deliveries. So what I got was another strange one. I like doing these ones on the strange ones. This is Script Drop. Apparently they're linked up somehow with Uber. I have to go to a local pharmacy. I have to pick up somebody's medication, and I apparently go drop it off. It says about 41 minutes. I normally wouldn't do something that's going to be so long, but I'm more curious than anything else to do it. So you see on the side of the screen here, I'll throw it up what the screenshot looks like, what they send me to do, and I'll touch back base with you when I've picked up the item and I started heading out. All right? Okay. With that said, you won't even miss me, but I'll be back as soon as I can. Well, I told you that wouldn't take long. So I went and I picked up just this little bag here from the pharmacy. And while I was there, I got another call for the same pharmacy, and I'm going to the same place. So I got two. One was, I guess because I know I'm already there, it was only $3.45, but I'm going to be there anyway, so I'm doing it. So I don't anticipate the delivery to be any big of a deal. As you can see here from the scroll on the right-hand side, it's pretty much just leave at the door, snap a picture, and go. So we'll see how it works. Anything out of the ordinary, I'll report back and let you know. But otherwise, thanks for watching. If you didn't get a chance, check out also, we did a video on using the Uber Plus card and we did another video going off of the app, doing things that the app that you're not on the app for. So be sure to check those videos out. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. But other than that, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll talk to you guys real soon. Thank you so much.